Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring your iPhone or iPad is online and updated. That prevents hiccups. Once done, open the App Store and tap the profile icon at the top right. This starts the sign-in flow. You'll enter your Apple ID email and password. If you use two-factor authentication, prepare the trusted device or phone number. Make sure to read prompts before accepting terms, because this links purchases and subscriptions to your account immediately. Once signed in, you may be asked to verify with two-factor authentication. Enter the code sent to your trusted device or via SMS. After verification, review payment and billing details so App Store purchases go to the right card. You can select none for free apps. Make sure Face ID or Touch ID is enabled in settings for quicker, secure downloads. If you need to manage subscriptions or family sharing, tap your name to access those detailed controls right away. You finish by downloading apps. Tap Get or the price, then authenticate with Face ID, Touch ID, or your password to start the install. If sign-in fails, first verify your Apple ID email and reset the password if needed. Then restart the device because a reboot often clears network or keychain issues. Make sure payment and billing info match your bank if purchases are blocked. If problems persist, contact Apple support. They can check account holds, billing flags, or region mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.